I am getting fed this week another Bookish and Spice book. This is going to be Slaying the Shifter Prince by Claire Sager, and I love Claire Sager. The Shadow of the Tenebrous Court series is my favorite by her. Oh, this is stunning. Stunning. They did such a good job with the foils. Here's the edge. The reverse dust jacket. Stunning. Guys, wait till you see the hardcover. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's breathtaking. It's not even showing up really how pretty it is on camera. And this is textured. Oh my gosh. I love bookish